The Miami Valley has been hit hard with severe weather this season. 8 confirmed tornadoes locally, with 35 across the state. And Storm Center 7 has been with you through it all.
We now have a confirmed tornado. Weather Service radar, we're seeing it right now on our debris tracker.
All of us highlighted in red here. We need to make sure we're in our safe spot.
Basement, if you have one, interior room, lowest level.
That can be replaced. Fortunately, no lives in this facility here were lost.
So the big question is, what in the world is going on?
Looking over both events, February 28th and March 14th, the science says there wasn't anything out of the ordinary when it came down to the severe weather. It's just simply all the right ingredients came together twice. We had wind shear, we had lift, and we had instability when it came down to the two events. What was out of the ordinary was the time of year the events happened and the frequency of the tornadoes. Typically this time of year, we should have only had 4 tornadoes in the state of Ohio. Thus far, for 2024, we've had 35.
So the ingredients aren't changing, but the numbers don't lie. The number of tornadoes is increasing. According to our colleagues at Climate Central, the number of tornado-favorable days in our part of the country is going up. And that means that the wind shear and the instability is happening across our area more frequently. Going over the last 8 years, only 1 year has featured below normal tornado touchdowns, and that was way back in 2016. Look at just the last 5 years, keeping in mind that 21 is our normal annual tornado count. In 2023, we had 56 tornado touchdowns, 33 in 2022 and 2021, and everybody remembers 2019, we had 58 tornado touchdowns that year.
People will undoubtedly ask if this is a result of climate change. The answer to that question is tough because we cannot tie any specific event to climate change. What we do know is that tornadoes, they like warm and moist air, and we're seeing some changes here, even at the Dayton International Airport. In fact, when we analyzed the months of March through May since 1950, in terms of breaking it down by decade, our temperature is increasing at a rate of 0.4 degrees every 10 years. And our dew point, that's increasing as well, at a rate of 0.2 degrees every 10 years. Factoring these two increases over a period of several decades here in the Miami Valley does equate to an environment that is slightly more favorable for tornadoes.
With the number of tornadoes increasing and the uncertainty of what climate change may bring, one thing you can be sure of is that Storm Center 7 will be here to help keep you safe with weather coverage you can count on.